Oh, I didn't see that yet.
Yes.
That's back at my shop. I didn't even see it.
That's the best part. That is the best part.
Oh, you gotta spin that.
He tried to kill me.
Bez, would I try to kill your mom?
Didn't miss a beat.
Stop it.
You ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready for this.
All right, guys. Welcome back to Dreamcars Daily.
Oh,
This
my
guy-
God.
This guy stole my RX-8.
Bro,
for-
just the cover photo.
He stole my RX-8 for a couple days, or I don't even know how long, and decided he was going to film for me. So I'm literally going to watch the video for the first time with none of us have seen it. This video hasn't been released yet. So this video that you're watching now is coming out after. I'm going to release this video probably tomorrow or the next day for everybody to see, but you're going to get to see our reaction now. So go
It's
ahead.
already gonna be bad.
Go ahead and hit
Oh
play.
my
Let's
God.
go.
Let's see.
Are we pausing this in between?
Oh no,
Or
we're
all the way
rolling.
through?
We're
All right,
rolling
all right.
straight through. This is no cut. Wait, what?
Yeah, so my friend
What
actually
is
DM'd
that?
me. He told me that was a $1.6 million car. 1,500 horsepower.
Right. It was a $1.6 car. Did you see? I apologize to whoever's car that was. If you watch my videos,
Apparently it has 3 turbos, makes 1,600 horsepower.
I don't buy that for a
1,500.
second.
No, I don't know.
That body
what
work
it
looked
said.
like.
So let's
fi-
wait.
I
Let's
know.
wait. We'll wait and find out.
What's up, guys? Officially swapped the whips. I'm about to take off. I have like little experience driving sticks.
I learned how to drive stick after this.
How
car,
much
so
clutch
thank
do I
you.
have left?
Oh man.
Now we're back. We made it. Survived.
Were you learning to vlog at the same time?
Everywhere we can. Did request before he wanted weight reduction.
If he doesn't know, I'm gonna put this on for him. I'm gonna slap it off.
I like that. I like that.
The car. And
Hashtag weight reduction.
Yep.
I'm gonna have a 16-year-old grab his car, get him some training, see what happens, see how it goes. I'm about to go get some.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can smell the clutch.
Oh man.
Oh my god, this thing is
Oh man.
Yes, riding out the gears. All right.
Oh man. Oh, this is pretty funny. That's what I'm thinking it is.
Is this where you rear end the torso? No.
Don't forget to put that.
This is my uncle. Oh man. He used to have a Mazda MX-6 back in the day.
I haven't drove a stick in a while.
Perfect car to be behind the wheel. Yes, let's go.
So watch what happens. So watch how much he's used to a car with a lot of gas. He used to give it gas. Watch. He completely loses control. I mean, it was smoking and everything. He comes back. He comes back. He was like, "Wow, that's a lot faster than I thought it would
That's
be."
hilarious.
It's like a go-kart with 6 gears.
Yes,
Well,
it
maybe
does.
we stole it and parted it out a little bit. I got you, man. Take care. Over there,
Is this a friend or a random guy?
This is a customer.
Does she look fun? Do you want to drive it? Do you want to sit in it? Do you want to go for a spin? Take her around the block?
He's like, "On God."
Right there, bitch.
Yeah, that shit is hard, but I don't do it.
I'll put it in second. Go ahead.
Death machine.
Oh, watch him try to put it in second.
For anybody that's learned.
You trying to teach him to drive a stick, or you trying to teach him to do donuts?
Isn't that part of driving stick?
There you go. Now slowly.
On a real car for sure.
I had him stop after that. I was like, that's enough practice.
Yep.
But now he's a pro.
Oh man, look at that squeeze.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
Oh yeah. Oh man, the initial reaction, everyone was just
The dude on the left was like, wait, what?
hell?
First time ever, actually.
I had like everyone surround. We'll see.
Yeah.
The show.
Yeah.
Everyone was.
Dude, we get so much attention. I've taken this to 2 shows
crazy.
now.
It's that bad, huh?
Like even the old guys that are only interested in muscle cars come over and come check it out.
That's Amir.
Amir?
Yeah.
What's up,
He
Amir?
took it for, yeah, Amir. He was like, bro, let me teach you how to drive stick. I said, okay.
If you guys see me shifting back and forth, I literally got the camera right in front of me.
Right there.
People are asking what the water jugs were for.
No, she's a thirsty girl, and we're not talking about gas.
Literally. You just open it, spray it, and you're good. It
Yup.
just looks so perfect. Look at it.
It is entirely possible that when I decided to park it on the K-rail and do burnouts, there's a little hole in the radiator, which I think is getting bigger.
Getting bigger.
Oh, I didn't see that yet!
Yes.
That's back at my
That's the
shop. I
best-
didn't even see
That's the
it.
best part. That is the best part.
Oh, you gotta spin that. Oh yeah.
It was a cop. He was being so.
Cop's not gonna spin?
He was being one of them.
They're all-wheel drive. That can't spin.
Funny.
Enough water on the
The right
ground and the right
conditions.
person behind the wheel. He lit up his taillights.
Yeah.
He listened.
What is that? Oh my god.
I don't know.
Of course. How else would he be whipping?
No.
Light him up. Come on, you got it.
Wife's like,
She
nah,
gave you a.
Nah, I've had
She
a
gave you a
Like,
thumbs
no
down.
chance.
Had the Corvette wheels on the street rod.
Oh, this is. I got so pumped here. We finally got someone to. Of course, it's Mopar too. It's got to be a charge.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, this is.
I'm about to pick up my boy right now, or my boy's mom actually, and we're gonna surprise him with his mom in this car. Hi, Santa. Hi, guys.
Oh.
You ready to go surprise Anna? Is this the Mazda 3? This is the RX-8. RX-8? It's the rotary engine. Yup.
Oh, he knew. See,
I'm gonna make everybody want an RX-8.
I was already shopping
This,
for
the
him.
car, the whole build is so much fun.
I'm not that Arabic. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna film the drive right after this, guys. Going? Yep. Yeah, let's go.
So this is his brother. I took for a spin real quick. Wait till you see what his mom are.
So I think we need to get like some lapel mics or something for the RX-8,
Yeah.
just to pick up the audio and have it close
Oh
enough.
no! When she starts screaming, you're gonna hear it.
She's
won't hear the
louder
mic.
than the wind noise.
Oh, spoiler alert! Oh man,
Are you ready?
he's finally ready.
Yeah.
Got a little
She doesn't know
attitude.
what she's in.
She's got a little attitude going. She has no idea.
She's ready. She thinks she's gonna.
She's like, you can't scare me.
Oh man. There's a kid waving. Do you see him? In the F-150, in the little window. He's waving at us. Oh, and this, I start weaving a little bit. Oh,
Did she say I hate you?
yeah. She's like, you're crazy.
But 5 seconds ago, there's no big deal. She likes.
It's you're only doing 35. I could see the speed limit. I'm sure you were doing over 35.
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube, Bessie! That is your mother, yes.
He's like, is that my mom? Oh my god.
You tried to kill me.
Bez, would I try to kill your mom?
Didn't miss a beat.
Oh, this is when we're leaving. Oh, this is bad. Oh, I can't watch. I can't watch.
Oh!
I forgot the handbrake off.
And she called you out on that.
She made sure I heard it.
Yep. And all of YouTube heard it too.
You mad, bro?
I'm very mad.
He's so mad.
Back home, unless you want to go somewhere else.
No, I don't think I can handle you.
Oh my god. There's enough go-kart.
I'm positive.
She went from this is not a big deal to oh shit to
Hell yeah.
She's great.
Yeah, she's.
You
we
mad, bro?
She got me good.
In the motorcycle.
No, that's not a cop.
Yeah, it looks like a cop.
Yeah, that's not a motorcycle cop car, though.
I said motorcycle cop car.
Motorcycles are not cop cars.
Oh my god.
right.
Oh man.
You know he's gonna have to mute what you just said. Otherwise, it's gonna be a big spoiler coming up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think this guy was trying to race. He kept jumping beside me, but then he finally left. Let's see if we get. They were going nuts.
I cannot believe how much people love that car.
So much.
For the money. I mean, seriously, it gets as much attention as the Lamborghini or the Lotus. It's hilarious.
Yeah, it's a different type.
And
of
everybody's
attention.
like, yeah! Everybody loves it.
Everybody loves it. I talked to somebody else that has an XO build.
Don't
He
make
said
it stall again.
This stage is
She got
exact,
me.
was the exact same for
She
his.
got me. Oh yeah, someone was next to us. Like, she wanted that car right
The
there.
Mustang?
Yeah, the blue.
Oh.
Oh, okay, not a Mustang. Nice.
Falcon?
No, I don't. She.
Yeah, it's Falcon. Yeah, that's pretty.
It's in like.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Yeah.
When she said she wanted that car, I thought she was talking about the Mercedes.
I
Oh
thought you
no
were
no
talking
no.
about the yellow
she's
Mustang.
Oh man.
Her anxiety goes up with the revs.
Oh yeah. So I had a couple friends in the Camaro, so you can see my hood, filming me driving. Oh,
I smell clutch again.
oh my god.
Why is it that I'm here in Detroit watching my car that's back in Kalamazoo and I can smell clutch? I haven't driven it since it got back.
I don't think you're gonna want to. you're gonna,
Next video, guys, replacing an RX-8 clutch.
50 bucks, if that.
Oh,
That was fun.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for
Thank you guys.
watching this guy. Like it said, let us know in the comments.
Let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Was it pretty solid? Was it bad? Should we do another one? Maybe this time we'll take the Lambo. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, no.
But we should do another one.
$100 clutch, $10,000 clutch. No, I'm definitely
Oh man.
definitely good on the Lambo.
Yeah.